Hey y'all, and welcome back. If you've been following me or Blackstone any this week at all, you know it's National Griddle Week, and each day has had a theme of what the Griddle Week's all about. Well, today's theme is all about tailgating. You know, when you think of tailgating, you think of wings, you think of jalapeno poppers, you think of all kinds of different foods. Today, I'm gonna make a honey barbecue cheesy chicken sliders on the Blackstone. I think they're gonna be great for even get-togethers, whatever, but it's all about tailgating, so we're gonna make some sliders and they're gonna be delicious. Now, when I think of tailgating, I'm thinking very few simple ingredients, so as you can see, we're not using a lot of stuff. Speaking of that, recipes are just guidelines, they are not rules. You've seen what I'm gonna use to make these chicken sliders. Use whatever you want. If you wanna add some jalapenos, if you wanna add whatever else to it, by all means do it. Make these yours. So I went ahead and fired up the Blackstone, set it on low, got everything over there warming up. Now, before we get over there cooking, I've told you this in previous cooks, prep is key. As you see, I went ahead and sliced up my onions. And there again, here's another change you can do. If you want to dice these onions instead of, slice them like this, by all means, dice them, whatever you want to do. I went ahead and cut my King's Hawaiian rolls, as you see right there. Went ahead and sliced them in half. Whatever I could prep up inside before I come to the griddle helps me out tremendously. Let's go check on that griddle now. While that white smoke is rolling, that means it's time to get some groceries up on the griddle. I'm gonna throw down a little oil first. And spread it out. Now we can throw these chicken thighs on. Well, so now grab up that Outlaw barbecue and let's season this chicken. Oh yeah, there's gonna be the flavor right there. Ooh, that stuff smells so good on this griddle. These thighs won't take long at all. And if you ask why I'm using thighs instead of breasts, I think the thighs are juicier, more tender cut of the chicken. And I think for sliders, that's exactly what I want. I want something tender, something juicy, full of flavor. And I believe these are gonna be so full of flavor. And they won't take long at all to cook either. All right, this chicken's been going for just a little bit. Let's go ahead and flip it and take a look and see what we got. Looking pretty good. Don't have the sear I want yet, so I'm gonna keep it on that side for right now. Don't quite have the sear. So I think what I'm gonna do is it's really windy and kind of cool out here, is I'm gonna crank up the heat just a little bit. I'm gonna go to about a medium low. Halfway between medium and low is kind of where I'm at now, so we'll see if that helps it kind of speed up the process a little bit. Now one thing, if you notice it's kind of drying out like around the chicken, not much oil, you can add more oil. We'll just come in here and just kind of put more around it, help it fry up some. It's almost like a shallow fry, if you will. I say, let's go ahead and get this chicken a flip. Looking pretty good on that side. Not quite the sear I'm looking for, but that's okay. We're gonna flip a couple more times, probably. I do my chicken like I do my bacon. I flip several times. But I have to say, that chicken right now sure is looking good. But now, we need to add some more seasoning to this side. Let's come in here and add some more of this Outlaw barbecue. So now, since that chicken's been flipped and cooking for a few minutes, let's go ahead and throw our onions on now and kind of saute them up, kind of soften them up a little bit. Put them right there. Let's add some seasoning to them too. A little bit of oil. Just give them a good mix. And we'll just let them kind of hang out there for a little bit. All right, now we got them onions going. Chicken's been cooking a few more minutes now. Let's go ahead and flip them again. Oh, getting a nice pretty sear on that side. Look at that. Yes, sir, buddy. That's what I'm wanting right there. That's a pretty sear on them chicken. Not quite that piece yet. And just out of curiosity, I'm gonna tempt them, see where they're at. Look at that, 180, 180, 170, 176. Y'all, this chicken's done. 165, that's what you want right there, 179. Well, I'll be dang, the chicken's done that quick. Let's slide them on over now. So we're just gonna slide our chicken over here. I'm gonna turn this far burner off. Let's stir them onions up. Look at that char on them onions, y'all. Yes, sir, what you want. Now, we need to toast these buns up just a little bit. So I'm gonna clean the griddle off right now. Just make a place to toast them. All right, let's try to get these on here in one piece, y'all. They're kind of coming apart. I mean, I got the family pack, so it's a pretty big piece. They come apart, that's fine. You can kind of piece them back together as you're building your sliders. Let's toast the bottoms. Now, if you notice, I didn't put down no butter, no mayo, no nothing on this. I just want to get a little light toast. There again, do you. If you want to do that, that's perfectly fine. Check on these onions again real quick. Oh yeah, looking good. And I really don't think it's gonna take long for these buns to toast up. Let's take a look at them. Yeah, see there? They're already toasty. Look at that. It's time to take them up and build these things, y'all. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna slide these over just a little bit, these two. We'll grab a cutting board, kind of put them on here. Take these, let's see, let's flip them over. Yeah. As you can see, that was on the hotter side, the more center of the griddle. This wasn't. So if you need to, that's another little trick. Kind of move stuff around. Let's see. Let's turn that away. This I might need 2 spatulas on. As you see, they are coming apart. That's okay. We'll just lay them there. Let's see what the toast looks like under it. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my Blackstone warming tray, I guess you call this thing. We're gonna lay it out right here. And I'm gonna grab these bottom buns right here and just slide it over like that. Yep. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way, y'all. Turn that like that. Now we can start building these things. Let's put the chicken on. If you want to go ahead and pull the chicken apart, if you want to shred it, whatever you want to do it. I'm laying these up here hoping they will do pretty good like this. There we go. But right now we need to add cheese. Let's get a lot of cheese on here, y'all. And I'm going with just American cheese. You can use pepper jack, you can use Colby jack, you can use whatever you want. I just had some American cheese in the refrigerator in there, figured I would use it. So that's what we're gonna do. And I want mine really cheesy. Now we need to melt this cheese. So I'll grab my big dome, a little bit of water, spray it up under there. Let the steam do the work. It's been about a minute now. I say we pop the top and see what we got. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Oh yeah, look at that right there, y'all. Yes, sir, buddy. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I probably should have done this before I put the cheese on, but that's okay, it ain't gonna matter either way. Half of this, I'm gonna put some onions on. So I think I'll put them on this side here. Just kind of lay them around on top here. The other half, no onion. And we can't have honey barbecue cheesy chicken sliders without honey barbecue. So I got some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue right here. And we're gonna take it, and we're gonna try to just kind of drizzle it on here. I think, there we go. There we go, like that. Yes, sir. Perfect, perfect. That is looking good, y'all. Look how these cheesy honey barbecue chicken sliders are coming together, y'all. Man. Oh, this is gonna be good. So now I say, before we top it off, let's do a little post dusting. A little more Outlaw barbecue on everything. Got to top it off now. And they are coming apart. So what we're gonna do is just kind of lay them on there best we can. Like that. Grab our other ones that came apart. There we go. Ta-da! There they are. Let's transfer them over to the cutting board, take them over here, and take a look at them. So, let's see if we can get these things on the cutting board, y'all. They heavy. Oh, she heavy. Ah, come on, come on. Nobody says it's gonna be easy. There we go. Slide it out. I did it. Let's go take a look. Well, there they are in all their radiant beauty. I think they turned out pretty good. And honestly, I kind of like it when you got more hanging out the edges. Kind of like this over here. Makes it look prettier. But either way, I think all in all, they turned out pretty doggone good. I say we take a piece of it and try it. So now, that's simple. I mean, you got 24 sliders right here, that quick. Let's go ahead and cut them. I'm just gonna cut this one right here off this front corner. Like that. There you go. I mean, look at that slider, y'all. Look at that. I'd love to have these in my tailgates, I promise you. Let's try it out. Wow. That. Dude, that's good. That's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and note, because I know it's gonna be in the comments. What would make this better? Off the top, bacon. Add some bacon to this, that'd be delicious. I'll have another bite. Need to make these. Yeah, y'all need to make these. And before it's even said, I know, it needs bacon. Bacon would take these over the top, no doubt about it. These are delicious like they are though. That honey barbecue has just got the right touch to it. The Outlaw barbecue seasoning really is a great touch, especially that post dusting I think really helped it. And the onions, I personally like the little sauteed onions on there. On a King's Hawaiian roll. How can it be any better? This is so good. Y'all try these out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd add to it. Also, please remember to tag me in your pics. Tag me and Blackstone in all the pics that you're taking. I'd love to see what y'all are creating out there. And with that, I got to get inside, feed these to the kids because I know they're waiting for them. And we'll see you next time.